General Asoro is one remarkable historical figure Benin Kingdom will not forget in a hurry. He was one of the most outstanding warriors who fought gallantly during the Benin British War. He led other warriors in resisting the entry of British invaders in 1897 into Benin Kingdom. His statements, no other person then passed this road except the Oba. Sokbomba was later translated to Sakbomba, the name of a well-known road in Benin. To commemorate his contribution, his statue was erected at what is now Oba Ovorarin Square at the beginning of Sakbomba Road, Benin City. According to tradition, that was the very spot of Asoro died. Chief Obasogi is another outstanding Benin warrior of old who defended the kingdom against external invasion. He gallantly resisted the British from invading Benin Kingdom during the punitive expedition. Chief Obasogi was not just a warrior, he was also a blacksmith and sculptor. Most of his designs and works can be found in and around the city. The architectural design of Chief Obasogi's house, which sits magnificently opposite the entrance of Igu Street, leaves much to say about his warlords. General Eboimi is another Benin gallant warrior who fought the death during the British punitive expedition. It was said that he died while standing on his feet and his corpse was rooted up and brought down. Although the British eventually invaded Benin Kingdom, his contribution as a defense warrior remains a significant achievement. Leaders of thought who should sell the affairs of ancient Benin, the life and deeds of some outstanding Oba of the ancient Benin Kingdom. Oba Ewedu, who reigned in about 1255 AD, is credited to have removed the seat of government from Usama, a village outside Benin City, to the present palace. He was known to be a disciplinarian, and it is to his credit that the first prison in Benin was built. Edionise, where the 5 elders of Benin Kingdom during the reign of Oba Ewedu. Oba Ewedu called them Erane Zama Onwa, meaning people who have no respect for their monarch. This name was later corrupted to Uzama. To avoid more power struggle, Oba Ewedu moved the kingdom's seat of government from Uzama to his present place in Benin, the heart